So for this question, the amount of voltage V, volts needed to send a fixed amount of current through a wire is directly proportional to its resistance, which is R. So here, even though they have given a very long question, what we want to focus on is basically the variables that are involved, and we look for the variable V and the variable R. Now V stands for voltage, and R stands for resistance, and voltage and resistance are directly proportional. So we have the equation V equals to KR. Alright, so next, again, usually in this kind of question, what will they do is they may help you to find the K. So they will give you a set of values, R6 and 9 here, and this is to allow you to find your K, right? Where K is the constant of proportionality. Alright, so V equals to KR. What we do is we substitute R as 6 and V as 9. Then from here, we can proceed to find the K. So substitute V as 9, K, and substitute R as 6. You then obtain that K is just equals to 9 divided by 6, which is 1.5. Okay, and from here, the equation that we will obtain is that V, K is found to be 1.5, so V is equals to 1.5 R. Okay, so that is part 1. So for part 2, we want to find the value of V when R is equals to 15. So this equation, this is usually a very simple step. It's very similar to the earlier question. All we need to do is to use the same equation where V is equals to 1.5 R. Now this is how V and R are connected. We substitute our R as 15. Alright, so what they are asking you is that when the resistance is equals to 15, what is the V? Right, so from here, we take 1.5 multiplied by 15, and the answer turns out to be 22.5 volts. Alright, now followed by part 3, also very easy. We want to calculate R and V equals to 15 using the same equation. V is equals to 1.5 R. Now I substitute V as 15, 1.5 R. I can calculate my R now, but R is just 15 divided by 1.5, which is 10. Okay, so this is part 3 is already done very simply. Okay, so finally we were to sketch the equation of V against R. This is just nothing but a linear equation, right? A linear equation. Okay, so we have V against R, right? So V equals to 1.5 R, vertical line, right? Mx plus C. Okay, thank you.